here we are. Sherry's shoveling it again. It is still snowing and blowing. Check this out. How basically we just shoveled a little bit. The wind has created like a tunnel. So you can, we didn't shovel this, this is just naturally made. Cloud had a big boulder here that I just broke down to get it out of the way. All our hard work is now filled in with snow. You can barely see. The roads are, actually there's not much on the roads because they're blowing everywhere else. Again, once was clear paths and clear vehicles. It's now completely covered. And here's Sherry in her goggles. It's actually a good idea. We both have a pair. Keep the snow from blowing in our eyes. Anyway, yes, winter storm number 2, 2010. Signing out for now. If I hadn't said it lately, I hate snow.